Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to log in with your access token to GitHub. So the first thing to do is to open your web browser, either if it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any web browser that you are using. After that you will need to go to github.com. And now we will need to create an account so we can be able to use the GitHub services. So basically all we need to do is to click on sign up and then it will redirect us to the sign up page. And now you will need to add your email, then gmail.com or any other email that you are using. You click on continue, you create a password. So if it was anything like that, click on continue and then you will add a username, for example whatever the username was. Now you will need just to type yes or no if you want to have the emails and announcements. So click on no if you don't want to, and then you will need just to solve as a verification, you solve this puzzle. So we start this puzzle and identical objects, we do like this, and then you will do like that, and then you will create an account. So basically after you create an account, all you need to do is to verify your email by having copying the code that will be sent to your email, and then you will just paste it here and you will be able to create a new account on GitHub. After that it will sign in you and you will have access to use the GitHub repository. And basically now all you need to do is to follow these simple steps. So basically now after you log into GitHub, we need to have our access token. So basically we need to go to the profile and you will have your we will go to settings actually, and then go to the developer settings at the bottom here, and we will find our tokens. And basically we need to have your tokens here, and you will have them generated and copied or stored on your PC. After that we will need to start or to add a command line, and now we are going to start a git global credential dot helper dot helper store. And now, so basically I forgot to add the config here. So basically we need to config here now, and now we will need to clone our repository. So basically you will need just to add git and clone, then you will need to copy the link of your repository. You click on your repository and you add it here. So basically we go to the command line, we add our link of repository, and now you will appear an empty repository. And basically after you clone your repository that you are using, after you copy the link etc, you will need you will have your cloning that is just set up, and now you can use your personal token to log into your account. And first make sure that your token go to the settings and the developer settings, make sure that your token has some scopes that are checked in, like the repository scope and the admin organization and etc. And basically you need just to have this repository full control with the token, and then you will need to update it. That's if you didn't have already just checked in. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.